Music is a powerful force. It transcends borders and languages. It connects us all. Music has the ability to soothe our souls. It can calm our minds. It can lift our spirits. Throughout history, humans have turned to music. In ancient rituals, music played a vital role. It brought communities together. It celebrated life's milestones. Music has always been a source of comfort. It has helped us through difficult times. From the rhythmic beating of drums to the soaring melodies of violins, music has a profound effect on us. It can evoke a wide range of emotions. Music can make us feel happy, sad, excited, or peaceful. It is a language that speaks to something deep within us. Music is a gift. It is a source of healing and joy. By embracing the power of music, we can enrich our lives. We can find solace in challenging times. Let the melodies guide you on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Music has a remarkable effect on our brains. When we listen to music, our brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical. It makes us feel good. This is why music can be so uplifting. Different parts of the brain process music. The rhythm and tempo activate our motor cortex. This is the part of the brain that controls movement. That's why we tap our feet or dance to the beat. The emotional content of music is processed in the amygdala. This is the part of the brain that deals with emotions. Studies have shown that music can reduce stress. Listening to calming music can lower our heart rate and blood pressure. Slower tempos and harmonies are particularly effective. Music therapy is used to help people with anxiety and depression. Music can also improve our sleep. Listening to relaxing music before bed can help us fall asleep faster. It can also improve the quality of our sleep. Nature sounds, classical music, and ambient music are good choices for sleep. Classical music has a long history of healing. Its intricate melodies and harmonies can have a profound effect on our minds and bodies. The works of composers like Bach, Mozart, and Beethoven have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. The structured nature of classical music creates a sense of order and predictability. This can be incredibly calming, especially during times of stress or uncertainty. The lack of lyrics in most classical pieces allows us to fully immerse ourselves in the music. We can let go of our thoughts and worries. Certain classical pieces are known for their relaxing qualities. For example, Bach's Air on the G string and Pachelbel's Canon in D major are often used in meditation and relaxation practices. These pieces evoke a sense of tranquility and peace. Experiment with different composers and eras of classical music to find what resonates with you. Let the soothing melodies transport you to a place of serenity and calm. Nature has its own symphony. The sounds of nature can be incredibly calming and restorative. Birdsong, ocean waves, and rainfall can soothe our souls. They can reconnect us with the natural world. Listening to nature sounds can reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone. It is released when we are stressed. Nature sounds can have a similar effect. They can help us feel more relaxed. Nature sounds can also improve sleep. Listening to the gentle sounds of rain or ocean waves can block out distracting noises. This can help us fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. You can find recordings of nature sounds online or through apps. You can also experience the benefits of nature sounds firsthand. Take a walk in the park, sit by a lake, listen to the birds sing, immerse yourself in the symphony of nature. Section 5. Musical therapy, healing through melodies. Music therapy is a growing field. It uses music to improve mental, emotional, and physical health. Trained music therapists use music to address a wide range of needs. These needs can include reducing stress, managing pain, and improving communication. Music therapy can be used to help people of all ages. It can be particularly beneficial for children with autism. It can help them to communicate and interact with others. Music therapy can also help older adults with dementia. It can improve their mood and cognitive function. During a music therapy session, you might listen to music, play instruments, or write songs. The therapist will work with you to create a personalized plan. This plan will address your specific needs. If you are interested in exploring music therapy, talk to your doctor. They can refer you to a qualified music therapist in your area. Section 6. Inspiring examples, music's power to heal. There are countless stories about the healing power of music. Music has the power to uplift us. It can inspire us, and it can even heal us. One such story is that of Paul, a former soldier who suffered from PTSD. Loud noises and crowds triggered his anxiety and flashbacks. Then, he discovered the cello. The deep, resonant tones of the cello had a calming effect on Paul. Playing the cello helped him to focus his mind. It allowed him to process his emotions. Through music, Paul found a way to cope with his PTSD. He rediscovered a sense of peace and purpose. Another inspiring example is the story of Sarah, a young girl with autism. Sarah struggled to communicate with others. She often felt isolated and frustrated. Then she discovered music therapy. Through music, Sarah found her voice. She learned to express herself through singing and playing instruments. Music became a bridge connecting her with the world around her. Music therapy helped Sarah to develop social skills and build relationships. These stories highlight the transformative power of music. Music can heal emotional wounds, break down barriers, and unlock hidden potential. Section 7. Creating your personal sound sanctuary. Creating a personal sound sanctuary can provide a sense of peace and tranquility in your own home. It's a space dedicated to relaxation and rejuvenation through the power of sound. Choose a quiet space where you can unwind without distractions. Select calming music or nature sounds that resonate with you. Consider using aromatherapy diffusers, soft lighting, and comfortable seating to enhance the ambiance. This sanctuary can be your haven, a place to escape the stresses of daily life. Spend time in your sound sanctuary daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Listen to soothing melodies, focus on your breath, and let go of any tension or worries. Over time, this practice can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and promote overall well-being. Remember, your sound sanctuary is a personal space. It should reflect your individual preferences and needs. Experiment with different elements until you create an environment that promotes a sense of peace and tranquility. Section 8. Integrating healing music into daily life. Incorporating healing music into your daily routine doesn't require a significant time commitment. Simple changes can make a big difference. Start by listening to calming music during your commute. This can help ease stress and improve your mood before and after work. Play nature sounds while you work or study to enhance focus and concentration. Listen to relaxing music before bed to promote better sleep. Incorporate music into your exercise routine. Upbeat music can energize your workouts, while calming melodies can enhance your stretching and cool-down sessions. The key is to find opportunities to integrate music into your daily routine in ways that feel natural and enjoyable. Section 9. Embrace the healing power of music. Music is a powerful tool. It can heal our souls and enrich our lives. From classical compositions to nature's symphony, there is a world of healing music waiting to be discovered. Embrace the power of music. Let it soothe your mind, body, and spirit. Explore different genres and artists. Find the music that resonates with you. Create playlists for different moods and activities. Share your love of music with others. Make music a part of your daily life. Experience the transformative power of music. Let the melodies guide you on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace.